Hey guys, welcome to the MS Excel tutorial. As part of today's string functions, I'm going to cover the proper function. The proper function is used to convert the first letter of each word in a string to uppercase or capital, and the other words will be in lowercase or small. Now let me show you with the help of an example. How do we achieve that? Again, I've used the same example string here, hasta la vista baby. Now it is in uppercase, everything is in capital. Now let me convert it in proper case. So how do I do that? The name of the function is proper. I write in Excel as equals proper, opening parenthesis. I select the string, which is the reference here. I selected as an I9. I close the parenthesis and I press the enter key. You see here now, the first letter of each word is converted to uppercase and the remaining other letters are converted to lowercase. And that happens for each word in the string, for each word. So with this, I conclude the proper function. Thank you.